You didn't marry by accident. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created you and your spouse and brought you together to make an amazing team for His glory. Imagine being married to a man who asks God to help him love you correctly. Perhaps we will meet each other when we are better for each other. Just one test of love for sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You will never wish to love any other way. Collects moments, not things. A man who will lead you to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and not to sin is always worth the wait. Walk alone until Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends you someone to walk with. When I first saw you, I said MashaAllah and then I said Inshallah. True love is helping each other to reach Jannah. Do you ever look at someone and just pray to Allah that you never lose them? The couple that prays together stays together. Mention those who you love in your du'as. It is one of the most beautiful and most valuable gift you can give. Pray to have a partner whose heart is always remain soft for you. Your heart is precious to Almighty, so guard it and wait it for the man who will treasure it. May your good heart be in good hands. Falling in love is easy, but staying in love very special. Pray to marry someone whose heart remains soft for you always. To have a precious spouse, it requires lot of prayers and patience. There will come a day when we will be stay together through both tears and laughters. Then I will become yours and you will become mine. Let's grow all together and enter Jannah together, hand in hand. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you a new beginning, don't repeat the same mistakes. Because my love for you is higher than words, I have decided to fall silent. What is love? When you want Jannah for someone just barely as you want it for yourself. Laugh, play and joke with your spouse is sunnah. Life is beautiful when you remain young at heart. Relive life as the child you once were and set yourself free. Love is not about finding the right person, but creating a right relationship in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not about how much you have in the beginning, but how much love you build till the end. A man should stand up for his wife when his family is wrong and remember that she gave up everything to be with you. True love has no expiry date. Thank you for always being my rainbow after the storm. It's sunnah to laugh, play and joke with your wife.